In this video, we will be recreating a typical GTN installation interconnect straight from the Garmin installation manual using SkyWire Studio Pro. We will break this video up into chapters demonstrating the various tools and features of SkyWire. Skip ahead to the section that you want more information on, and if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always reach us at support@skywirestudio.com or visit our channel for more information. We will start by using the audio interface wizard to quickly wire up the audio connections between the GTN and the GMA. The base interconnect will be generated automatically for you. Now you can reposition the LRUs, connectors, or pins to align the connections. When moving pins, the connections will snap to be straight in line with the next pin. To delete a pin, you can right-click the pin and click Delete. Same thing for a connector, right-click and delete. Using the Quick Connect tool, you can connect multiple pins together. If the new connection joins with an existing, a splice will automatically be depicted where the connections join. Shield symbols can be added from the Symbols menu. They could be positioned with your mouse, automatically resizing to fit the closest group of wires. When satisfied, a left click will drop the shield in place. The shield later can be moved along the shielded connections, automatically resizing as necessary. If you want to cancel the action, press the Escape key. To quickly add pins, utilize the templates. Let's add power and ground pins to the GTN by selecting Add Pins from Template to Existing Connector. Choose the unit, connector, and pins, selecting multiple pins as necessary. Now we can daisy chain the power and grounds together. We can also add a ground symbol and connect it to the ground pins. We can add an avionics bus circuit breaker to the power pins and connect it. We can also add a new connector from template, selecting the unit, connector, and pins we wish to add. Custom units can also be added to the diagram by specifying the name, any connectors, pins, and their associated labels and pin numbers. Connections can also be labeled directly by right-clicking the connection you wish to modify. You may also rename your units by right-clicking on the unit and selecting Rename. Annotations are easy to add as well. Select the Annotation symbol tool, add your annotation text, then place the symbol wherever you wish on the diagram. The text will be shown in an annotation table. Quickly add data interfaces automatically to the diagram with the Data Interface Wizard. Let's add an RS-232 interface between the GTN and GMA. Select the GTN and GMA units, then select the desired RS-232 port numbers. The connectors, pins, and connections will be populated automatically for you. Now let's add the GTX to the diagram and connect it to the GTN. Select Add LRU from Template and choose the GTX to get started with a blank GTX. Now add the RS-232 connections using the Data Interface Wizard. To match this particular Garmin interconnect, we will add a custom connector to represent the antenna jack. We will add 2 pins for the barrel or shield and the center conductor of the coaxial cable to the antenna. Similar to the Garmin diagram, connect those 2 pins together, then add an antenna symbol. Now the antenna can be connected directly to the conductor pin. In this video, many of the core features of SkyWire Studio Pro have been introduced, which should allow you to create a variety of interconnects. In many cases, it may make more sense to split your interconnect into multiple sheets for readability. For example, instead of cramming audio, serial, nav data, and power and ground onto one sheet, try splitting it up where audio, serial, and power have their own sheets.